Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a family of hedgehogs. This is a very simple and easy recipe that can work perfectly as a snack for your children or for yourself. It consists of, as you can see, grapes and pears. So without any further ado, let's get to it. For our hedgehogs we will need pears. You can have them green or yellow as you like them. Grapes, a peeler, toothpicks, and some melted chocolate. So let's get to it. So what we'll be doing first is remove the stem from the pear. Just do it like this. Like this. And we'll be making the face of our hedgehog. To do so, we take our peeler and peel more or less half of the pear. When it starts to get round, that's when the face ends. Now we just peel it. And here you have the beginning of our hedgehog. We repeat that with all our pears. Next we take one of our toothpicks, our washed grapes, stick the toothpick through the grape and place the grape on the unpeeled part of the pear. And we continue until we have all the spikes of our hedgehog. Obviously you don't do it all around, but only on the visible part, because hedgehogs don't have spines on their tummy. If you're cooking with your kids, make sure they don't stab themselves with the toothpicks. Now we have to take our chocolate and either some kind of a stick or any type of tool for making the nose and the eyes. So we dip our stick into the chocolate and make an eye here and make an eye here. And the nose. We fix this a bit. And our hedgehog is done. So we repeat this process with all our pears and we're done. So here we have Spike, Sonic and Pocahontas, and they're ready to be eaten by children or adults alike. And this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I thank you for joining me. If you make your own family of hedgehogs, please share it with me and send me a picture. I would love to see your creations. You can send it to me on Instagram or whatever channel you may find. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. And I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!